Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I say it all the time, I'm going to say it again. I am truly blessed. I really appreciate my subscribers. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. We have a lot of Happy Mail that we mail out. We have more hot potato Happy Mails to get going. But in the meantime, I was injured, and life can stop on a dime. And at our house, thank goodness Darren kept it going because I couldn't have. Still limping, but I can't wait any longer. Some of my Dolly friends that are also subscribers have sent me Happy Mail. I'm only going to open one, and I'm opening them in the order that they came in. But let me tell you what you can look forward to seeing next week. A package from a Lissa Explosion. If you do not know her channel, take a look. She is fun and she is funny and she keeps the video moving. All right, let me set this over here. And this one is all the way from Bulgaria. And this is from Ellie Nefret. Ellie is quite clever. She has a nice channel. She has a different sense of humor that I absolutely love. She does a lot of crafting. She has mostly Barbie fashion dolls that she usually reheads onto made-to-move bodies. And when she sets up a photo shoot, it looks like people. She is just excellent at her photography. So we'll open that next week. This big old box is from Doll Joy Lissa. If you are not a subscriber to Lissa's channel, she is a beautiful person, and I don't mean just to look at her. She is, you know how beauty is skin deep? Promise you, to her marrow, she is a beautiful person. I enjoy Lissa's channel very much. She does a lot of doll openings and reviews. She recently put up shelves. It's absolutely beautiful the way she has set it up. Let's see what's in here. I can hardly wait. This has been here over a week, but I have a shoulder injury and I can't grip or lift or pull. So, without further ado, there is a note. Hi, Marna and Darren. Thank you for including Darren. Hope all is well. I am sending you a Troll Funko. Oh, wow. Sorry if you already have it. I do not. Just thought of you when I saw it. Also sending my boy, Palorina doll. Thought you would enjoy him. He needed a new home. The Ever After. You know what? I'm going to quit reading this because I don't want to know yet. Let's see what's in here. Oh, my. Oh, look at this. Oh. Let's see if I can grip this and open it. Darren, we might have some start and stop. Oh, look at this. Oh, I do not have any of the na-na-nas. Oh, that is adorkable. Look at his little, what do you call it? I know the word, I just can't think of it. Jeans. Oh, that is so cute. Look at his little shoes. They have tigers on them too. Oh, that is cute. Isn't that adorable? Oh, Lissa, I could stop here and be thrilled. Let's see if I can get these shoes on. Let's set this here. Oh, thank you. He is adorkable. You are so generous. Oh, looky. I don't have many of the LOL dolls, and I don't have any that came with a little drink. Isn't that cute? And you know, I love the bright and neon colors. Oh, she is cute. Lissa. You are too generous and so kind. Oh, here it is. I'm going to save this for last. Well, I don't know. I smell vanilla. Woohoo! Let's open this. Oh, Lissa. I can't believe you parted with her. I don't know her name. I can't remember right now. But this is Alice in Wonderland's daughter, I believe. Or the Mad Hatter's daughter. That's what it is. Isn't that adorable? And I don't have any full set Ever After dolls. Oh, she's gorgeous. I love the teacup. Look at the teapot. And the gloves. I love the gloves. All right, I'll keep this moving. I want to stop and play, but I will keep this moving. Oh, there's a card. Thought you might like this. Happy Mother's Day, Lissa. Thank you so much. This is just the sweetest. Look at this guy in an ice cream cone. How adorable is that? He's a cupcake with a little ice cream cone. God, that's cute. That is so cute. That'd be cute with one of my little circus Blythes. I smell vanilla. I love you, Lissa. She sent me another cutter for opening Happy Meal. Lissa is honestly a very thoughtful, like I said, she is a person that's beautiful to the marrow. Look at the little monkey. I love the monkeys. I watch a couple, but one of my favorite channels on YouTube is Yo-Yo Jr. It's a guy's pet monkey that, God, he makes food. He puts his own clothes on. It is the cutest. And I've watched the guy train in his training videos, and he trains the way I do, and that's through kind words and rewards. I love it. Vanilla, you doll collectors know what that means. Ballerina. I have never held a ballerina doll. I am very, oh God, gorgeous. Oh God, the clothes. I am very excited about this doll. She did tell me he was coming. God, they really do smell like, it smells like baking, like vanilla. Oh, you gotta see this face. Look at his little vest. Oh, and the little pocket. Ow, that hurts my arm and I don't care. Oh gosh. Oh, Lissa. Oh gosh, they're cute. You know I love the boy dolls. I cannot thank you enough. Now wait, I saved this one for last. Darren, I'll need help with this one. Wow, 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 wow. And rainbow hair. I love rainbow hair. I really love it. This is adorkable. Oh, I can't grip that. Their little heads turn. I do not have any Funkos. I did not have this troll. I did not have Maddie Hatter. How cute is she? Oh, I'm loving these shoes. I could go on and on and on, but I'm going to end this video and play with my new dolls. We do have more Hot Potato Happy Mail going out. I'm hoping next week. I am getting better each day. I can grip a little more. Thank you so much, Lissa and Elise and Ellie, and I will get those open, but I wanted them to have their own video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.